Hello everyone, this is Karthi Vignesh. In this video, we are going to look into inheritance in Python. Inheritance is basically defining a class which is going to act as a blueprint for objects, and we are going to create variables using that objects. Those objects will have all the attributes as of the classes that we have defined in the classes. So there are different questions for different register numbers. For my register number, it is the question number 2, that is to define add a class as a parent class, and we are going to inherit those class into two classes like list adder and dict adder. Those adders have separate functions, that is to add list, that is list adder, and to add dictionaries we are going to use dict order. So this is the solution that I have come up with. So class adder, I have defined class there, adder class, and after that we are defining inside the other class. I have initialized with the self and two variables x and y, and I'm assigning those variables to the variables in those classes. And there is a class called add for adder. That is, if you are just going to call the adder function other class just barely without inheriting it to another class, it is going to return that it has like no function to be performed. And there are two other classes like list adder and dict adder. Those classes have add functions, only the add functions, because the initialization function is from the parent class. Those add function is to list adder has the add function to add the add the list. It is using the append function. And in dictator we are going to add dictionaries. I'm just using update. I'm assuming the first dictionary to a separate dictionary variable, and I'm just updating it with the second one. And we have a third variable with two dictionaries added together. So a2 and b2 are two dictionaries, a1 and b1 are two lists. So we are going to execute it. So it will return list addition, dictionary addition, and normally calling the adder variable. Okay, so I'm going to execute it. So as you can see, in list addition, it is adding the list a1 and b1, 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, and in dictionary addition it is adding those keys, key 1 2 3 and 4, and it is having all those variable values. And in normal addition it gives not implemented, and it is printing none. What none is that it doesn't have any return type. That is what none represents. So that's all for this today's video. See you in the next video.